Hello everyone, this is Frugal Panda here with just a quick review of our visit to Taos to the Earthship biotexture. This is sustainable houses. They're made out of a variety of things from tires to glass bottles. A lot of stuff that gets thrown away and wasted. They make full-blown houses. And when I say they make houses, they make some really cool houses. One thing about here, if you're going to go in and see one of the houses they have on display, you will pay a small fee to get in there. I don't remember what it was. It was pretty simple. You go in there, pay the fee, and you can walk through here. Walk through one of the houses. You can check it out. They have a film that plays while you're here. Also, so I don't forget, you can bring your dog on a leash, of course. Only thing I can tell you with your dog, just be careful when you're out in the area where the water, how they do the sewage treatment with the plants and everything like that. It's inside, but you know how dogs are. They might think they can lift their leg in there, but no, you're inside. So like there's plants and everything that helps clean the water and all that good stuff. Going in there, it was a hot day in Taos, a fairly hot day, but being inside there, it was super cool. Inside, also they have a gift shop if you want to buy something. They have classes that they teach and everything like that. It was pretty chill here. There was people coming and going. It doesn't take that long to walk around here. Now, if you were really interested in having an Earthship build or learning how to build one, you're going to, of course, spend a lot more time. So like this area right here, be careful with your dog. My dog tried to pee and I grabbed him real quick and picked him up. But yeah, you just have to be mindful there because they think they're outside and they're really not. So anyway, you can grow your food in here, which is really cool. You get your clean water from the rainwater and stored in cisterns and everything like that. I thought it was really awesome. And also, you know, it keeps a lot of stuff out of landfills and you can reuse it, which I thought was really cool. You know, you're reusing a lot of stuff that would just be in the junkyard or the, you know, landfills. I was kind of disappointed though because there's some way cooler houses, but this is an actual community, so you know you can't just go in people's houses and stuff like that. There's tons of houses on here. You can only visit the just one on display. That's right when you pull in. But you can see all of them, and like there's lots of them around here, and it's self-guided. If I didn't say this, so this is a self-guided tour here. So yeah, go check it out. It's like $9 per adult. I don't know what it is for children, if it is different. But anyway, it's Frugal Panda at Earthship Biotexture Visitor Center. Thanks for watching. Have a good day in Taos, New Mexico. Bye.